Okay, here's 1987 Toyota Blizzard. It's I think it's based on a Daihatsu Rocky, or maybe the Toyota and then Daihatsu made it produced together. It's a pretty nice truck. It's got the front straight axle, 4x4, PTO winches, high-low transfer case. It's really a nice 4x4 rig. Anyway, it's got the 2.4 2L-T turbo diesel in it too. Overall, it's really a nice condition. Oh, it's got a little bit of bumper damage right there. Okay. Anyway, so outside, it's really clean. And it's got manual locking hub. Factory, Toyota factory. PTO winch. PTO driven by the drive shaft from a transfer case. You need to turn off the transfer case to the neutral, 5-speed in neutral, and I believe you put it in there's a locking tab or something on the PTO, and you need to take the PTO bar. Oh, I don't know if you could see it. Okay, and then pull the PTO and then engage the PTO. It also has the electric shock absorber. I don't know if it's working or not. It's got the 3-way soft, medium, hard shock absorber choice. It's got the 4x4 switch there, just like a sorry. 5-speed transmission. 1, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, and reverse. It's got the all those gauges like that. 4x4, and it's a turbo. Let me turn on the engine. You have to wait for the glow plug to glow up. It's this one. And then, okay. Sounds really nice. The back seat, just a temporary seat kind of situation, but you can maybe comfortably sit 2 person, maybe not a big grown-up guy, but maybe 2 kids in the back. And wow, that's dirty. Anyway, so the back seat. Wow, it's dirty. Front seat, and everything's nice. Everything is good. Very spare tires. And okay. It's kind of dirty, but it's a 2.4 2LT turbo diesel, single battery. It's got the VIN number. It runs okay. I drove a few miles and then it's running okay. Let me rev it up the. How can I rev it up this one? This one. It's a unique turbo 2LT engine. Nice setup. Really vivid turbo graphics. And 4-wheel drive, Blizzard. It really, and then it's an LX model. LX model is the top of the line, I guess. So it's got the electric tune suspension, maybe the PTO winches, maybe, and then a sports seat, like a sports turbo bucket seat, maybe. Believe me, it's a nice condition car. It's really nice car. Maybe a fog lights. I don't know what that option is. Anyway, here's a 1987 or 86 Toyota Blizzard 4x4 PTO winch, turbo diesel, good shape. Thank you.